Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was scrolling through Instagram a few days ago and this one person that I follow posted a video that she put this thing on her eyebrows, let it sit there for a few minutes, peeled it off, and her eyebrows were filled perfect and gorgeous. So I was looking through her caption to see what she was using, and it turns out honestly she was using this. So this is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Tint. So I don't know if you can tell, but I have sparse areas on my arch here, and I fill in my eyebrows probably almost 3 days. I also used to be the person in high school who never filled in her eyebrows because what was that? I didn't know about that. I didn't care. But now my eyebrows are everything. I feel like if I have a full face of makeup and no eyebrows, what am I doing with my life? For today's video, I wanted to do kind of like a first impression and review on this. I also don't like my eyebrows to be too dark, so I did get the light brown shade, so hopefully this is my shade. If not, I'm going to see if I can scrub this off my face, and if I can't scrub it off my face, I'm just going to have to fill in really, really hard with my brow pencil. So hopefully this is my shade. I just figured the dark brown would be way too dark for me. I don't like my eyebrows to be the center of attention on my face. So yeah, if you're interested in my first impression and opinion and review, just keep watching. Alright, so let's open this up. So here's the product, and that's it. Big ass box, little product, typical. So it says this lasts up to 3 days. So its instructions say, so wake up to evenly filled brows. Our first peel off brow tint lasts up to 3 days, no touch-ups needed. Innovative peel off formula. Tinted peel off formula is easy on, easy off, glides on effortlessly. It can be adjusted during application and removes gently without pulling hair out. Long lasting up to 3-day results. The natural looking tattoo effect lasts for 3 days, gradually fading over time. Transfer proof, smudge proof, gentle and hassle free. Drying time, 20 minutes, 2 hours, or overnight. We'll do 20 minutes. Let's see what 20 minutes gives us. Oh, 20 minutes gives us 1 day. Let's do 20 minutes, see if it lasts us 1 day. If it does, we'll do an overnight. Yep, let's do that. Directions, any directions? Here are directions. So 3 easy steps. Step 1, apply in desired brow shape. Step 2, let dry for at least 20 minutes for up to 3-day wear. Let dry for 2 hours. So we'll do just the 20 minutes because we got things to do today. Step 3, peel off inner to outer brow. So I got my mirror in front of me. We're gonna get up close and personal. And let's fill it in. So I'm just gonna brush out my brow. I'm nervous. Okay. This is a light brown color. This is so dark. Oh my god. I'm so nervous. Ooh, let's see. Oh my god, this is so dark. Okay, so my eyebrows are looking a little crazy. I think that is my desired shape. They look about how I wear them a little bit on a day-to-day basis. Just very, very dark. That looks better. So we're gonna put a timer on for 20 minutes. Start. So there it is, it's going. So we're gonna sit with this on our eyebrows for 20 minutes and I'll check in when I'm done. Okay, so it's probably been about 35-40 minutes. I mean, I set my timer for 20 minutes, got caught up in YouTube videos, so 35-40 minutes later, here we are. So step 3 says peel off inner to outer brow. So let's peel this off. I don't know what I'm supposed to peel off. Oh, yes I do. I see it. So let's see. Okay, so that is one eyebrow. It said it's a gentle formula. It's not going to take out any of your own eyebrows, and to be honest with you, it hasn't. I do see a huge difference in the way my eyebrows look without this and the way they look now. There is filled in parts here and here. It is really light when you look up close. But honestly, I think it suits my face. So that is a plus. I'm actually kind of shook. Oh, I lost an eyebrow. So, looks like that. Just gonna brush it out. There we go. Okay, so I have to say, I'm shook. Like, this is my brows without makeup. Like, this is cool. I like this. I honestly feel like I don't even really need to fill in my brows. It did stain my skin here, so that's gonna fill in my sparse parts of my brow, but this is amazing. I really like this. This stuff is really good, and I think I only got this for like, okay, so this is only $9. No, this wasn't. No. Maybelline New York. $10. This is 10 bucks. Like, literally, you don't even have to do anything. You put it on, like, it takes 2 minutes to apply it, and then you leave it on as long as you want. Don't even have to, like, it doesn't hurt, it doesn't do anything, and it'll last for 3 days, and if you don't like it, it comes off, and this is 10 bucks. Okay, guys. Lovelies brows. Love. So, honestly, this was really easy, now that I got the hang of it. At first, I kind of put it on a little bit and really was like, oh, I don't know how to use this. But once I figured how to use it and how it applies, I put more and more until I got the desired shape I want. This was very, very easy, and I really, really like it. This is a great product. Maybelline New York, you're killing it. Love it. Great results. And it's smudge proof, like nothing coming up. Guys, so last time you saw me, it was Friday. It is now Monday at 10:30 p.m. and I just wanted to do a little eyebrow check-in. So as you can see, even though I put that tattoo thing on for about 35-40 minutes, it's tattooed my brows for like 4 days. So I can't imagine that 24 hours of wearing the tattoo on or having it on overnight is actually only gonna last 3 days, because because I put it on for 35 minutes and it's been 4. So, I mean, this morning I did have to fill in some spots up here and up here, but all in all, my eyebrows look pretty bomb. A lot of my sparse areas are still filled in and tattooed in, but I don't know. I'm really liking the way they look and the results I've gotten, and yeah, I honestly recommend this product, and the fact that it was under 10 bucks is pretty insane. So you can very easily just put this into like your weekly self-care routine and pamper routine, and or just any night before going to bed, put it on and take it off in the morning, and you'll have great brows for a week. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, review and first impression, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.